Good morning and welcome to the Crawford County Board of Commissioners meeting for September 8th, 2021. We'll start with the Pledge of Allegiance with Commissioner Wiederspan.
All right. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, Francis. I need approval of the minutes from the meeting on August 25th.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved with second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Soft.
Aye.
Wiederspan.
Yes.
I need approval of the minutes from the work session on September 1st, 2021.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved with second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Soft.
Aye.
Wiederspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes. I need approval of the payment of bills in the amount of $3,120,638.59 for the period ending September 7th, 2021.
So moved.
Second.
It's been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Wiederspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Soft.
Aye.
There were no executive sessions. Any public comment? Okay. We'll start with the elections and voter services. Ms. McFarland. Good morning.
Morning, Jesse.
Turn that to green. There you go. Perfect.
I would like to request to ratify the purchase of 15 cases of Cougar paper from Fine Print for the ballots with the total cost of $1,275.
I'll make that motion.
Second.
Been properly moved to second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Soft.
Aye.
Wiederspan.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thanks.
Jesse.
The courts.
Good morning.
Morning, Heidi.
Morning, Heidi.
This morning, we're looking for ratification of a contract with B&A Cleaning Services for cleaning of the Titusville MDJ office, effective August 28, 2021, for a cleaning service twice a week at $140 a week.
So moved.
Second.
It's been properly moved to second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Soft.
Aye.
Wiederspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Correctional
Heidi.
facility.
Morning, Commissioners.
Morning,
Morning,
Jack.
Morning, Jack.
This morning, I'm looking to ratify the contract with Keefe Commissary, our supplier of commissary for the inmates.
I'll make that motion.
Second.
Been properly moved to second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Wiederspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Soft.
Aye.
Thank you, Jack.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thanks,
Jack.
Jack.
Public safety.
Morning, everyone.
Morning, Greg.
Morning, Greg.
This morning, we'd like to ask for approval to purchase 16 trays of batteries for the 911 Center's UPS system from the Eaton Corporation at a cost of $11,027.05. Our Act 12 monies will be used to cover that expense with no additional cost to the county.
So moved.
Second.
And properly moved to second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Soft.
Aye.
Wiederspan.
Yes.
Thank you. And I'd also like to approve the renewal of our annual service agreement with the Eaton Corporation for the UPS at a cost of $4,079.25. Our Act 12 monies, again, will be used at no expense to the county.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved to second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Soft.
Aye.
Wiederspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes. Thank you, Greg.
Thanks.
Thanks, Greg.
I'll be handling the care center today. The care center is in their annual survey with the Department of Health. Tanya appreciates the fact that we're all here supporting her from this distance, which is probably good. So first, I'll make a motion to ratify the cost of the schedule optimizer training with SmartLinks for a total amount of $600. This was not budgeted. A budget transfer will be completed for this cost to be paid from administrative training and meetings.
Are you making the motion?
I'll make the motion, yeah.
All right, I'll second.
Any discussion? Roll call?
Wiederspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Soft.
Aye.
I'll make a motion to approve the cost of the nurse's aide training for one staff member in a total amount of $1,425. This was not budgeted. A budget transfer will be completed for this cost to be paid from nursing training and meetings.
I'll second that.
Okay, properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call?
Henry.
Yes.
Soft.
Aye.
Wiederspan.
Yes.
I'll make a motion to approve the changing of positions 3610-069, 3610-070 from nurses' aide 100% to nurses' aide 60% to allow 2 12-hour shifts, 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Saturday and Sunday. These positions already addressed in the SEIU contract.
Second.
Probably moved to second. Any discussion? Roll call?
Soft.
Aye.
Wiederspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes. County Treasurer?
Good morning.
Morning, Christine.
Morning, Christine.
I'm asking for approval for the payment to Palmetto Posting for the posting of the 2021 tax upset sale and the 2020 notice of claim properties. The total due is $43,315, and this is a budgeted item.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Goff.
Aye.
I'm asking for approval for the payment to Crawford County Legal Journal for the advertisement of the 2021 tax upset sale in the amount of $4,362.50, and this also is a budgeted item.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Goff.
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
And I'm asking for approval to make the payment to Titusville Herald for the advertisement of the 2021 tax upset sale in the amount of $5,522.25, and this is a budgeted item.
I'll make the motion.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Goff.
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Crawford County Maintenance.
Morning, Mark.
Morning, Mark.
Morning, morning.
Asking to approve to pay the invoice for the Crawford County the courthouse remodeling project, specifically the new HVAC system, to Tower Engineering in the amount of $6,300.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Goff.
Aye.
Asking to approve to pay the invoice for the Federal Bridge Inspection Program, estimate number 14, to the EADS Group for $24,674.84. This will be paid for with liquid fuels money.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Goff.
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Asking to approval to pay 2 invoices for professional engineering services on Bridge number 3, Jerusalem Road, rehab project to the EADS Group, totaling $6,444.90.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Goff.
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Asking approve to pay the invoice for advertisement of Bridge 3, Jerusalem Road rehab project to the Meadville Tribune for $1,226. This will be paid for with liquid fuels money.
Sorry, Mark. So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Goff.
Aye.
Asking to ratify the removal and demolition of South Perry Street Bridge by the PennDOT contract.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Goff.
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks, Mark.
Planning? Oh, he's hiding. There you are.
Good morning,
Morning,
Commissioners.
Zach.
Morning,
Zach.
Zachary.
First item this morning, we're seeking approval of required plans for the county's CDBG application for fiscal year 2021 to the Department of Community and Economic Development. Those plans include Minority and Women Business Enterprise Plan, Section 3 Plan, and the Residential Anti-Displacement and Relocation Assistance Plan. These are all required under federal law.
I'll make that motion.
Second.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Goff.
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Next, we're seeking approval of the Statement of Assurances Resolution to be included in the county's 2021 CDBG application.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Goff.
Aye.
We're also seeking approval to pay an invoice to the Titusville Herald in the amount of $314.15 for the county's 2021 fiscal year CDBG application public hearing notice. This is paid for out of our CDBG program.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Goff.
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
We're also seeking approval to pay an invoice to the Meadville Tribune in the amount of $466.50 for the public notice associated with Coneyville's stormwater project, their environmental assessment advertisement. This is paid for out of the county's CDBG program.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Goff.
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
We're also seeking approval to pay an invoice to the Chaps for $4,064.25 for their June 2021 rent and utility program. This is paid for out of the City of Meadville's CDBG CV program.
So moved.
Second.
It's been properly moved to second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Goff.
Aye.
Second to last item, we're seeking approval to pay an invoice to Lindy Paving and Seal Coating, Inc. in the amount of $61,365.49 for completion of the milling and paving project for the City of Meadville's 2019 CDBG. Again, this is paid for out of the City of Meadville's CDBG program.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Goff.
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
And finally, this morning, we're asking for approval to pay an invoice to the Titusville Herald for $346.60. This is a publication for an environmental report regarding the Ed Meyer Complex project for the city of Titusville. It is paid for out of the city of Titusville CDBG program.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Goff.
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes. Thank you,
very
Zach.
much, Commissioner.
Thanks, Zach.
Thanks, Zach.
Human Services?
Good morning, Gail.
First item I have this morning is seeking your approval for a 2021 MATP expense report for the state. Total expenses are $581,076 for the period 7/1/20 to 6/30/21.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Goff.
Aye.
Next, seeking ratification for payment to the Center for Family Services for the delivery of their ERAP funds for the period 7/2 to 7/14 in the amount of $203,546.81 with no county match.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Goff.
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Seeking ratification for a payment to the Center for Family Services for their ERAP funds for the period 8/2 to 8/16 in the amount of $254,086.54.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Goff.
I did have a question. There was an 8/18 invoice as part of that.
So we'll
Good.
change that
So-
date to 8/18. Thank you.
Yeah, please.
Sorry for not hesitating enough for you.
Sorry.
Any other discussion?
No.
Roll call again, sorry.
Goff.
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Next, seeking approval to sell 4 of our Human Services vehicles. There's a 2007 Dodge Caravan with a 111,183 miles. 2009 Ford Fusion all-wheel drive with 133,722 miles. 2010 Ford Fusion with 136,237 miles. And a 2009 Dodge Charger with 160,025 miles.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Would you let us know when those are up and running so we can get the word out, people are interested in bidding?
I think we're putting them on the website. That's,
Oh, great, excellent. That way we'll make sure people know. Thank you.
Mhm.
Any other discussion? Roll call?
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Aye.
next, seeking approval for fiscal year 21-22 CYS JPO contract with MHY Family Services for delivery of high-fidelity wrap. They're reimbursed for actual expenses not to exceed $157,911.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call?
Henry.
Yes.
Goff.
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
21-22 CYS JPO contract with Perseus House for the delivery of shelter services for boys and girls ages 12 and older, and an intensive treatment unit for girls 12 and older.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call?
Goff.
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
21-22 professional contract with sign language interpreting professionals for ASL interpretation services for consumers.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call?
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Goff.
Aye.
And the last items are for contracts for the same rates that we paid for the prior year. If you're okay, I'll do them all together as one.
Okay.
21-22 ID contract with Erie Homes for Children and Adults. Contract with Interim Health Care of Pittsburgh, doing business as Interim Health Care of Meadville. Contract with Marquis of Pennsylvania. Contract with Supports Incorporated. Contract with Touchstone Solutions. Contract with Bonnie Guffey, and a contract with Watson Pepicelli.
I will make that motion.
Second.
Been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call?
Henry.
Yes.
Goff.
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Gail.
Thanks, Cal.
Finance?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Stephanie.
For your approval, I have invoices totaling $114,019.73. These were detailed at the work session last Wednesday.
So moved.
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call?
Goff.
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
And for your ratification, I have invoices totaling $677,627.43. These were also detailed at last Wednesday's work session.
I'll make that motion.
I'll second.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Goff.
Aye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So there's some new hires and transfers in your packet. We entertain a motion once you look at it.
Make a motion, we approve the request of new hires and employee transfers as detailed in our packet today.
I will second it.
Been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Goff.
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, so the upcoming events we have for our meetings are the 15th will be the work session. 22nd will be a full session. Of course, no meeting on the 29th, and then the next work session will be October 6th. Commissioner comments. Commissioner Sopp.
Thank you. I just have a voters-related comment I want to make. I just want to alert voters that you may start to receive or may have already recently received mailings related to voter registration and mail-in and absentee ballots. These mailings may be coming from groups like the National or State Republican Committee, the National or State Democratic Committee, and or various special interest groups. These mailings are not coming from Crawford County Board of Elections or the Elections and Voter Services Office. On the rare occasion that the county sends you a piece of mail related to voting, it will be clearly identified as having come from us. And the reason I'm commenting on that now is that we have heard reports across the state that these mailings are becoming more and more popular. Crawford County voters were inundated with mailings like this really in the prior 3 elections, and most everyone thinks that these mailings come from and were generated from Crawford County, and they just were not. So I just want voters to be aware and be cautious, I guess, when you receive mailings like that, to make sure to look at them and know who they came from, and chances are they did not come from the county. Thanks.
Okay. Commissioner Weiderspan.
I don't have anything at this time.
I would just like to close that I did visit the Spartansburg Fair last night, and it's a wonderful little fair. If you get a chance to go to the fair, it's going on this week. I would strongly suggest you try the mini donuts. They seem to be quite popular there. Other than that, I'll entertain a motion for adjournment.
So moved.
I'll second.
We are adjourned. Thank you.
So you're telling us about mini donuts,
Yeah.
not sharing?
No,
mini
I didn't bring
donuts?
any.
Apparently they didn't make it back from Spartanburg.
They didn't.
Would you give me some?
Yeah. Check in this one. Do you remember this one?
I don't remember anything about it.
That's what he's checking.
Apparently Joe left. I assume Joe left. Is that what Christopher's asking?
Are you ready, Ellie? We're going to call the salary board meeting to order for September 8th, 2021. Need approval of the minutes of the August 25th meeting.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried. There were no executive sessions, and we'll start with the courts.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning, Heidi.
First thing we have this morning is to seek to ratify the emergency change for Carlos Alowitz, full-time program manager, change from hourly to salary effective 8/30/2021. No change in the rate at the salary of $43,971.20 per year.
So moved.
Second.
It's been properly moved in second. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried.
Next, we'd like to ratify the salary for the emergency new hire of Jerry L. Bolton Esquire, part-time criminal conflict counsel, replacing Joseph J. Ferguson Esquire, effective 8/30/2021, at the salary of $37,699.71 per year.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion?
This is just a replacement, the exact same salary, just
Correct.
replacing someone that left. Okay,
Yep.
thank you.
Any other discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed? Motion carried. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ellie, do you want to handle the correctional facility?
I'd like to request to ratify the rate for the emergency transfer of Matthew Baker, full-time lieutenant, transferring from full-time correctional officer, replacing William Coolman, effective 8/30/2021, as set by the 12/9/2020 salary board at $24.17 per hour.
So moved.
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye. Aye. Opposed? Motion carried. If you want to handle those two, Ellen, thank you.
Ratify the rates for the emergency new hire of 2 per diem LPNs, Shannon Keitlinger, a newly created position, and Melissa Zachary, replacing Cindy Bump, effective 8/26/2021, as set by the 7/14/2021 salary board at $23 per hour.
So moved.
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried.
Request to ratify the rate for the emergency new hire of Jennifer Knetch, per diem LPN, a newly created position, effective 9/3/2021, as set by the 7/14/2021 salary board is $23 per hour.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Just like to say, the salary board, that is a good example of getting some more per diems that we hadn't had before. That actually doubles the number we had, so it's good. It's good for us. So. Any other discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried.
Request to set the rate for the transfer of Jennifer Proper, per diem nutrition aide, transferring from full-time cook's helper, replacing Venus Mathis, effective 9/13/2021, as set by the 7/14/2021 salary board is $10.50 per hour.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved to second. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried.
Request to ratify the rate for the emergency transfer of Hannah Shiver, per diem CNA, transferring from full-time CNA, replacing Jasmine Weston, effective 8/30/2021, as set by the 7/14/2021 salary board is $16.50 per hour.
So moved.
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye. Aye. Opposed? Motion carried. The rest of the information is just for our perusal. Any other business to be brought before the salary board? I would entertain a motion for adjournment.
So moved.
Second.
We are adjourned. You ready, Terry? You ready, Christine? Okay. You give me the look like she's doing it. All right, I'd like to reiterate retirement board meeting to order for September 8th, 2021, and the approval of the minutes of the August 25th meeting.
So moved.
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried. There were no executive sessions, and Christine will be presenting today.
Make a motion for Robin McKinney, formerly of the Crawford County Care Center. Start date of 3/6/1998. Start her retirement with last date paid and interest through 9/3/2021.
Second.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion?
Long time.
Yep, thanks Robin for her service to the county. Much appreciated. Any other discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried.
Make a motion for Susan Salowitz, formerly the Assessment Office, with a start date of 3/1/2004. Begin her retirement with a last date paid and interest through 8/20/21.
I'll second.
Properly moved second. Any discussion?
Quite a while.
Yep, same thing. Any other discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried.
I make a motion for Alyssa Polakoff, formerly of Human Services, with a start date of 9/26/2016, to withdraw and roll over part of her retirement, last date paid and interest through 8/25/21.
Second.
It's been properly moved and second. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried. Is there any other business to brought before the retirement board? Entertain a motion for adjournment.
So moved.
Second.
We are adjourned. Thank you.